In this video, you will see how to remove borders in Word document of a page and a text box. It's very easy. First, we will remove this page border. To do that, you need to go to the Design tab, then click on Page Border. Make sure you have clicked on this tab, Page Border, and here instead of box, select the option None. You can see the preview here. After selecting None, as you can see, there is no border. Once selected None, just click on OK, and this will remove page border from entire document. Now, if you have a text box like this or a shape, then you need to click on it and then right click, go to the Format Shape option, click on Line, and here instead of solid line, you need to select the option No Line. This no line means there will be no border around the text box. After selecting, close and click inside the document. As you can see, the page border, text border, or a shape border has been removed. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem.